Alright, first order today for Robert. He's in Arlington, Virginia. We're getting another home theater kit. The Clackamas are all these kits are named for areas around Portland area where I used to be. I'm outside of Portland now, but they kind of correspond with, like, you know, the sort of the area, like the best ones are in like the hoity-toity areas, and this is kind of like a more blue-collar place. So, you know, it's kind of a fun thing I did with the kits. So that's why you see those different kit items, the way they're named, and some of them are a lot of Native American stuff, and which, you know, is kind of big in our area. So hard to pronounce somewhat, but this one's called the Clackamas. 4M65.1W. These come packed in pairs, so sometimes folks will get boxes and they're like, I only got one, but two in there. And this will go with the center channel, M525.1 LCR. So we're going to pack this with the grill front in mind. So we're going to stack this up against here. We're going to cut this box down, and there won't be basically any packing in here, so save on, you know, the packing stuff. Oop, you guys aren't looking in here. Hang on. Oop, there you go. Now you'll be able to get it. Alright, 30.3 is 31 pounds. Thanks, Robert. Next up, Steven from Palmetto Bay, Florida. This is about as far away as we ship things. Up here in the northwest all the way to the southeast. We're getting a Portlandia 71, and so that's a 7.1 system. Two wall speakers, center channel, 4 overhead speakers. And the reason for that one is it's kind of the most popular, and that dang show kind of killed it for Portland. Made it a little bit too, oh boy, I don't know what you want to call it, popular, we'll say that. Center channel, HD 525. 650.2 Ws. And I take that back, I almost misshipped. Only one pair of 650.1 Ws. 2 pair for each of the HD 650.1 C. .8, that's 21. Gonna wrap a couple boxes. I love that's the perfect size. I love it, I love it. Don't like packing material, I'm not going to avoid it. It just seems wasteful. These things protect it. Try to buy boxes that are around the same size as what I've got, so that I do avoid that. I hope you appreciate that. And it shows up without all the garbage in there. I was early on board with those packing peanuts. I thought those things were I filled up every box for those things. Holy moly. I must have put quite a few of those in other people's houses. Lodo boxes. Sorry guys. This one does get material. The goal of this packing is just keep it in the middle of the box, not just stuff it full. That way when those pesky hand trucks hit them on the side, it's okay. It doesn't hit the inside, the goods. Oopsie, oopsie. And that holds it together. This one, 23.8, 24. Thanks, Steven. Next order, go to Marvin. Marvin's in Woodinville, Washington. Hey, this is going to get to you Monday. This is going to be awesome. Quick. We're just doing one pair of TM6A. So ceiling speakers got a little angle inside the grill to them. How are we doing that? I don't even know how to do this. Little inside the grill, like that. Points it down towards you. Directional. That's all I want to say about that. One pair of TM6A. This one also pretty good size box. It's easy to manage. 20 inches long. I think Marvin's a repeat customer too. I don't know why that rings a bell. I remember a lot of names. It's funny when you get your hands on things and you're actually doing the work. You remember places and things. I know St. George, Utah. I don't know why. Tons of orders come from there. Huge growth down there, I guess. And somebody, word of mouth happened. Like, so St. George, thanks. I'll have to go to your town someday. I just clicked this thing off too. Who loves sharp blades? Like, it's like good windshield wipers, sharp blades. Like, tell me, am I wrong? Love that. This one goes all the way across. Oh yeah, I love that. And even more padding on top. That's where the grills are. Why do I make a big deal about where the grills are at all the time? If you ask me, I know why. I've been doing this for a while and had a few learning curves, a few broken grills. But I think we got it sorted. 8.5 pounds, that's 9. And got you covered, Marvin. Thanks.